Hey Army, it's Laura. It's comeback week, so let's get ready by creating a playlist. And we want to do that now so that we're ready. We also want to start tracking these songs on Thursday night. So they're going to chart on Billboard's charts starting on Thursday night. So I'm going to show you how to do it on Apple Music. It's pretty universal for most platforms. Go ahead and go to Apple Music, hit the search bar. We're going to track tracks 1 through 7 on our playlist. Track 1 we're going to have to buy and of course purchase Yet to Come, but we're going to start with No More Dream. So go ahead and put that into your search bar and find it. Click on the 3 dots and say add to playlist. And now I'm going to create a new playlist. So basically what we want to do is that we want to add all these Baby Bangtan songs into the very beginning for week 1. We're going to mix those songs up together with Born Singer and Yet to Come and any other 2 songs that you choose. So I'm going to choose Louder Than Bombs and Spring Day to add to my playlist. And then we just want to keep adding songs and make it a long playlist. So I usually like to do a playlist that's like about 2 hours long. And then I switch it up and I'll play somebody else's playlist. So the links for these playlists are going to be shared on the group. So play your playlist for a little bit. You can interact with it or not interact with it. It's best to interact with it, but I think done is better than perfect is what RM says. So I'd rather you just play it and not, than not play it. So here I am adding Boy in Love, and I'm going to my old playlist for With You and That just to show you what it should look like. So there's With You, which is what I was trying to, track. And then I added 2 to 3 tracks in between each song that I was focused on. So Yet to Come obviously is going to be our focus song. So wherever you see a With You, that's probably where Yet to Come will end up going. So we're just adding those first and second era songs into our playlist in between those songs. So here I'm just showing you how to move the tracks. It's pretty simple. I just add it a million times and it keeps asking me, are you sure you want to add it? It's already on the playlist. And I say, yes, just add it. And then you can move them around so that there's 2 to 3 different songs in between them. Easy enough. Click the 3 dots, share the playlist, copy the link, and then you can send it and post it in the group, send it to your friends so we can all make sure that BTS is number 1 forever. Add that we are going to track CD2 week 2, CD3 week 3. And then I don't know what's going to happen after that, but hopefully we can, at least for the first 3 weeks, get all their albums to be on the charts. Obviously we want Yet to Come to be number 1 for a long time. I'm super excited. I'm glad you're all here. Let's get it.